Hey everyone, it's Jen. I'm your instructor for Math 10. Just wanted to take a couple of minutes to show you around our class and help you get started this week. So I'm at the front page of our class right now. This is what it's going to look like every time you log in. Up at the top, there's our name, and then there's this little list of links. You can always click on the name of the class up at the top to come back to this page. Over to the left, you're always going to see, oh, it's my picture, yay! And then below that, you're going to see how to get a hold of me, a link to the course policies, and a link to the course schedule. So if you're not sure what you should be doing, you can always click over there to find out. In the middle will always be our course content. That's where you're going to find your homework for each week and the assignments and quizzes and everything that we do. I'll get into that in a second. Over on the right, you'll see this is the Remind app. It's going to list any text messages I've sent out to everybody in the class recently. And it's going to invite you to join that here, or you'll have a chance to sign up when you go through the orientation materials this week too. So if you scroll down, you'll see there's also a bunch of other information off to the left and right. You might use some of it, you might not. We'll talk about how to find your grades in another video. But look through here, see if there's anything that's useful to you, the calendar, or there's always a list of upcoming assignments available too. Now, in the middle, this is where the homework happens. And so right now you see you have the general information section always available and the orientation block, which is where we'll start this week. To get into a section, you just click on its name and then you scroll down a little and you'll see all the assignments show up. I might write you a message up at the top, and then in each section you'll have a little orientation reading to go through, and all of your assignments appear in order. So just do them in the order that they appear and you should be fine. You'll also see that they have little check boxes off to the right side. If it's a solid checkbox like this one, that means that you can check it off as soon as you're done. So for readings or videos, you might want to check it off when you've completed it. If it has a dotted checkbox, that means Moodle can automatically check it off when it's done. So for instance, for the introduction forum, once you've posted your introduction, it'll check off on the front page. These checkboxes, they're just for you to help you keep track of where you are in the class. You don't have to use them, but I think they're pretty handy. I won't be checking up to make sure you've checked things off. For this week, we have kind of a weird schedule in that you have all this orientation stuff to do right here, and then you'll dive into the actual math homework. To get to the next section, you just go down to the bottom and click on Whole Numbers and Operations, Part 1. It's going to take you over to the assignments. I'll talk about how to do those in the next video, but for now, I hope this helps you get oriented to the site and figure out where to get started.